Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the secret weapon for a radiant complexion, lemon essential oil. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how this powerful elixir can transform your skin, leaving it brighter, clearer, and more youthful than ever before. Get ready to say goodbye to dullness, acne, and uneven tone, and hello to a complexion that glows from within. Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible benefits of lemon essential oil and share easy DIY recipes to incorporate it into your skincare routine. Your skin is about to experience a revolution. What is lemon essential oil? Lemon essential oil is extracted from the peel of fresh lemons through a process called cold pressing. This vibrant oil is known for its antiseptic, astringent, and detoxifying properties, making it a powerhouse for skin health. The peel of the lemon contains a high concentration of citric acid, limonene, and pinene, which are highly effective at killing bacteria and other microorganisms. This natural antimicrobial activity makes lemon essential oil an excellent choice for treating various skin conditions, including acne, wounds, and fungal infections. The oil is also rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, lutein, and carotene, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants work to neutralize the effects of UV radiation and environmental pollutants, reducing the signs of aging and promoting a more youthful appearance. Lemon essential oil is also a natural astringent, which helps to tighten the skin and close pores, preventing further blockages and inflammation. Its antiseptic properties make it effective in cleansing minor abrasions, cuts, and wounds, while its antifungal properties can help treat fungal and yeast infections, such as athlete's foot. Overall, lemon essential oil is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways to promote healthy, radiant skin. Benefits of lemon essential oil for the skin. Lemon essential oil is a versatile and powerful ingredient that offers numerous benefits for the skin. Its unique combination of antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal, and astringent properties makes it an effective natural remedy for various skin conditions and concerns. Antioxidant power. Lemon essential oil is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, lutein, and carotene. These antioxidants help protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and skin damage. By neutralizing free radicals, lemon essential oil helps maintain healthy, youthful-looking skin. Brightening effect. Lemon essential oil has a natural brightening effect, which can help lighten dark spots, scars, and hyperpigmentation. This is due to its ability to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, revealing a brighter, more even-toned complexion. Acne and pimples. Lemon essential oil is effective in treating acne and pimples due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps control bacterial growth, reduces inflammation, and promotes healing, leading to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Exfoliation. Lemon essential oil acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. This helps refine the skin's texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and leaving the skin looking smoother and more radiant. Hydration. Lemon essential oil helps maintain the skin's natural moisture balance, keeping it hydrated and soft. This is particularly beneficial for dry or dehydrated skin, as it helps lock in moisture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Overall, lemon essential oil is a valuable addition to any skincare routine, offering a range of benefits that can help improve the appearance and health of the skin. How to use lemon essential oil for skincare. Lemon essential oil is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways to promote healthy, radiant skin. Here are some tips on how to use lemon essential oil for skincare. Dilution. Importance. Always dilute lemon essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil before applying it to the skin. This is because lemon essential oil can be quite potent and may cause skin irritation if used undiluted. The recommended dilution ratio is 2 drops of lemon essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Direct application. Mix a few drops of lemon essential oil with a carrier oil and apply it directly to the skin. You can use it as a spot treatment for acne, dark spots, or hyperpigmentation. Apply it to the affected area and gently massage it in. DIY recipes. Lemon essential oil can be used in a variety of DIY recipes for skincare. Here are a few examples. Face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon essential oil for a brightening face mask. Toner. Combine ½ cup of witch hazel, ½ cup of distilled water, and 10 drops of lemon essential oil in a spray bottle for a refreshing toner. Scrub. Mix ½ cup of sugar, ½ cup of coconut oil, and 10 drops of lemon essential oil for an invigorating body scrub. Safety precautions. When using lemon essential oil for skincare, it's essential to follow some safety precautions. Always do a patch test before using lemon essential oil to ensure you don't have any sensitivity or allergic reactions. Avoid direct sunlight after applying lemon essential oil, as it can increase photosensitivity. If you experience any irritation, redness, or itching, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. By following these tips and using lemon essential oil responsibly, you can enjoy its numerous benefits for healthy, radiant skin. In this video, we've explored the incredible benefits of lemon essential oil for skincare. From its antioxidant and antibacterial properties to its ability to brighten and hydrate the skin, lemon essential oil is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can be used in a variety of ways to promote healthy, radiant skin. We've covered the following key points. The benefits of lemon essential oil for skincare, including its antioxidant and antibacterial properties, ability to brighten and hydrate the skin, and its natural astringent and antifungal properties. How to use lemon essential oil for skincare, including dilution, direct application, and DIY recipes. Safety precautions to take when using lemon essential oil, such as patch testing and avoiding direct sunlight. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Share your own experiences with lemon essential oil and any tips or recipes you'd like to share. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be exploring the benefits of lavender essential oil for skincare. From its calming and soothing properties to its ability to reduce inflammation and promote relaxation, lavender essential oil is a natural and effective way to promote healthy, radiant skin. Don't miss it.